Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Statewide protests were held in Goa to express solidarity with the nationwide movement in demanding justice in the Kolkata doctor rape and death case. The IMA Goa unit, in collaboration with GMC resident doctors, held a peaceful protest rally in Panjim on Saturday, demanding justice for the 31-year-old doctor who was brutally raped and murdered. Simultaneously, doctors at South Goa District Hospital and Chikali Sub-District Hospital observed a 1-minute silence in solidarity with the victim, calling for immediate justice.
The horrifying rape and murder of a 31-year-old doctor have shocked the nation, highlighting the dire need for safety measures for medical professionals. In response, a nationwide protest is being held to demand justice for the victim. In Goa, doctors organized a silent protest on Saturday, urging the central government to enact stricter laws in such cases.
This is the peaceful protest rally we have followed all the directives from the traffic police. We have allowed the traffic to go smoothly, and as a gathering we have arranged here. So we have to move to a point so that the victim gets justice as fast as possible in Kolkata rape and murder case, in solidarity with the rest of the IMA and the rest of the nation. Basically, so this is nationwide protest. IMA has shut down all medical facilities, but Resident Doctor Association has been continuing the protest since last 4-5 days. So, and we have joined them yesterday, and from yesterday we are continuing. So today this was our part, and we'll continue the protest until the justice is delivered.
So how long will
this we are in coordination with FORDA, MARD, and the rest of the organizations that are there, and we'll take a collective call on this, and we still stand in solidarity because we are not going to give up until the justice is delivered.
At the South Goa District Hospital and Chiklim Sub-District Hospital, doctors observed a minute of silence in solidarity with the Kolkata rape victim, demanding swift justice. AAP leaders on Saturday expressed their solidarity with the victim of the brutal rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata.
And anyone wants to say something in support of this, you can express yourselves, because I feel that what has happened there can happen in anywhere. So security at workplace has to improve. We have to have increased security and mechanisms where we as healthcare workers, it's not only doctors, it's also the nurses and other healthcare workers are taken care of, because we are sometimes working in a very hostile environment, and we work under a lot of stress. So we have to have mechanisms in place where these things can lessen our stress.
Yes, since it is catering to around 4 constituencies, there are a lot of people who visit Chikali Hospital. So in view of this, we decided not to shut down the OPDs. So, but as a mark of respect and in support of the victim, we maintained 1-minute silence that too after the OPDs were over.
आम्ही आता नेक्स्ट वीकसून अख्खे गोंयभर प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आमगे वुमन विंग जे लिडर्स आहे त्या वुमन विंगचा लिडरांक मुखार व्हरून आम्ही एक वुमन डायलॉग कॉमेस करतले इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोटेक्ट वुमन सेफ्टी. जितले आमगे अलायन्स पार्टनर जे MLAs आहे अलायन्स पार्टनर त्यांना आम्ही उलो मारतले, त्यांना बराबर घेऊन वुमन सेफ्टीचे आम्ही एक कॅम्पेन आज डिक्लेअर करताय. पहिले आम्ही कॉमेस करतले आमगे बाणाले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीत मंडे इवनिंग, मागीर ट्यूजडे आमगे वेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वयतले, बाब आमगे क्रुजागे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन थिंक कंडक्ट करतले. मागीर आमगे अलायन्स पार्टनराको डिस्कस करून तेंगे टाइम घेऊन तेंगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वचून सगळे वुमन्सना एड्रेस करून हाऊ वी शुड एन्श्योर दॅट वुमन्स आर सेफ हे आम्ही एक डायलॉग, वुमन सेफ्टी डायलॉग आम्ही 40वी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन घेतले.
This case was handed over to the police, Bengal police. They were very slow in investigating the case. So the Kolkata High Court ordered CBI to look into the matter, but not that something great has happened. Still, we have not come to any conclusion as to who is the culprit. Demand number 4, the most important. We have seen the episodes of violence against doctors nationwide. If I go into the statistics, you will be shocked. In Goa itself, we have cases of violence against doctors every year, but nothing happens. The culprit escaped without any punishment. So we at IMA, Goa State and National IMA demanding for a strong, strict, stringent central law for violence against doctors, so that the culprits are immediately punished for their deeds.
मेडिकल असोसिएशन ज्यांनी पुराय देशभर आज एका दिसाचो जो स्ट्रायक तांच्यांनी OPD बंद दवरून कॅज्युअलिटी आपली ड्युटी चालू दवरून जो स्ट्रायक पुराय देशात घडोवन हाडला हो खरें म्हणजे आय ओपनर आसा. आमच्या सगळ्यांचे दोळे उगडपाक जाय, विशेष करून लोकांचे. जो प्रकार कलकत्तात जालो म्हणजे आमी RG कार मेडिकल कॉलेज हांगासर जालो तो निंदनीय आसा. आणि खरें म्हणजे वेस्ट बेंगालच्या सरकाराचो वेस्ट बेंगालची चीफ मिनिस्टर बिंग अ लेडी असून सुद्धा ती एखाद्या महिलेक आनी एखाद्या डॉक्टराक प्रोटेक्शन दिवंक शकना हे सिद्ध जालें. म्हणून हांव तिजोय निशेध करता सगळ्यात पयलीं. आनी असो प्रकार खंयसरूच जावचो न्ही अशा पद्दतीची सेफ्टी आनी सेक्युरिटी फॉर द डॉक्टर्स एंड फॉर द मेडिकल फेटर्निटी हांकां दिवपाक जाय. आमचें सरकार कटिबद्ध आसा.
The duty master of the Anjuna police station has been suspended after he was found colluding with the clubs and pubs playing loud music. The North Goa Superintendent of Police Akshat Kaushal has confirmed the same. Meanwhile, the protesters and victims of noise pollution and loud music originating from the clubs and pubs will be holding the candlelight vigil for the third consecutive day. The assurance of Anjuna PI Paresh Naik that no music will be allowed after 10 p.m. had fallen flat within 4 hours as the loud music started again from multiple clubs.
And a whole list of all the venues that are the violators of the noise pollution, they are all posted in, I don't know, these are advertisements, printed advertisements, okay, right in front of the police station. The police station advocating for these venues. And you can see on the right, as we move ahead, you will see the posters. And when asked who is supposed to take down these posters, at one point of time, even SP Akshat Kaushal, sir, even he had got these posters removed down near the church. After that, the Panchayat has continued to remove, but only when we tell them. Why should we be responsible? Do we want such kind of posters in our Anjuna? No. If we don't want it, whose permission? Who is endorsing these things?
त्याचा ज्यांना मीटिंग आसली पळय आमदार येयलेली आणि त्यांना एक पंच मेंबराकूय एक हे दिल्ले की सगळे पोस्टर्स क्लियर कर काढ म्हणून.
One time resolution. This poster, if it is removed now, it will come back in 20 minutes. In 20 minutes these posters will come back.
म्हणजे जे मेन पोस्टर ते आता जे ऑन पार्टीचे पोस्टर ते थंय दवरल्या.
Yes.
आणि ओल्ड पोस्टर ते काढले अशे.
No. If they put a new poster घालीत जाल्यार तुरंत काडीत जाल्यार तुरंत ते सेम पोस्टर परतून येता. आता न्यू स्टाईल येला पोस्टर घालूंक. They put a whole frame with the lock. They lock the frame or the poster with the light stand, with the electricity pole, with the trees, destroying trees, hammering nails into the trees to promote advertisements.
Yes.
What kind of sustainable tourism is this? What is Goa becoming? Because another thing to note Korpak, when we started talking that time, the media or everyone could hear the music. Yes. Can you all hear anything now?
No.
This is how news travels. The moment they know something is going to happen, they will shut it. And this is why noise monitoring systems are very important, as told by the Supreme Court, because we will know at what time what sound was being played.
So आज हाडला त्यांच्याने noise pollution machine, nothing.
We have not seen any JSPCB person. We have not seen any PI. Today nobody stopped us.
Even this late night parties, they are resulting into drug consumption because of this noise and this kind of behavior. It results into drug rackets over here. So Goa is turning into a drug den now, and we have to take care of our. This.
These are valid questions that our MLA is supposed to ask. Okay, our representatives are supposed to ask. But our MLA is, when she comes here, the assurances she gives us is put the headphones and I will go to court with you all. But we don't want someone, if it's a very simple thing. If someone is not ready to come with us to the police station, do you all think she's going to come with us to the court? I don't see anyone taking such a long step when they can't take such a small step. So come, please support us. We are inviting you here now also. We are live. Please come. Please help us. Or please, if you can do something about the noise, because I can still hear the music. It is still going on. There are still cars going in and out.
आम्ही हांगा सगळे लोक जमला ताकाच लागून कितें तरी करपाक जाय. 2 दीस 3 दीस जाणटे लोक हांगा कशे येतले पुलीस स्टेशनार.
येस
Now there's a timing for everything. The music as of 12 o'clock start झाला. School हा लागीं 100 meters from hilltop. I started at 12 o'clock. There must be a time limit. सगळ्यांक टाइम लिमिट आसता. हे कित्याक जाल्ला? Blasting music घालता तो 12 मागीर लोक करता. Something has to be some time limit should be. I think at 4 o'clock we started okay.
Already government notification हा की within 100 meters जे radius हा should be silent zone. The school आसा same 100 meter police station हा. Party almost like to last season जेन्ना हांव येयलो तुका सांग हिंगा विंडोज वायब्रेट जाताली जी हिलटॉपाची म्युजीक जी आयकूंक येताली. विंडोज वायब्रेट जाताली पुलीस स्टेशनाची. बट पुलीस स्टेशनान म्हणटा की आमकां आयकूंक येना तुमी जाय तें करा म्हणटा. हांव आनी एक कम्युनिकेटर कंप्लेन दिवपाक आनी दुसरी जाग्यार बेगीन करताली. बट येस सिट्युएशन जालां आमच्या हांगा.
आनी रातभर हांगचे अंजुनचे वागातोरचे लोक रावन हांगा ह्या जो सावंड पोल्युशन जाता ताका विरोध करताले. काल आमी सगळे पळयले हांगा खुबशे लोक आसतना तो जो कोण गार्ड आसा तो दुसऱ्याचेर घालता. मागीर पुलीस येता आनी पुलीस सांगता पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाचेर घालता. तो येता तो दुसऱ्याचेर घालता. आतां म्हाका एकूच कळना की हे आमच्या लोकांक पिशान काडटा कित्याक तुमी लिपच्यांनी खेळटा आपालिपा खेळटा लोकां बरोबर काय लोकांचो पेशन्स तुमी ट्राय करता. अरे आमचे शिवोलचे लोक आसा जाणटे आसा. काल लोक आपले घरचे लोक हे आवाजान एक्सपायर जाल्ले आसा तांचे फोटो घेवन आयले ते दाखयले तरी सुद्दां हांगा कांय कंट्रोल जायना. सो हांव मागता सरकारा कडेन आनी जे कोण हांगा रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसा कडेन ते हे कितें हांगा चल्लेले आसा ते बंद जावचे. नाजाल्यार हांगा आयज आमचे शिवोलचे लोक आसा तशेंच आमी गोंय भायरचे लोक सुद्दां हाडून हे आवाज बंद करतले.
The ongoing issue of loud music and all-night parties from Anjuna to Arambol has severely affected local residents, depriving them of sleep and even leading to health complications among senior citizens. Despite promises from authorities such as the assurance by Anjuna PI Paresh Naik that no music would be allowed after 10 p.m, loud music resumed just hours later across multiple clubs. In this edition of Street Voice, Herald TV spoke to various people on whether all the loud music should be immediately stopped until noise monitoring systems are in place.
आज आमी पळयता की अंजुनाचो लोक सगळो भायर सरलेलो आहा. जे नॉयज पोल्युशन जाता रातभर जे म्युजीक चलता त्याच्या अगेन्स्ट तेंच्यांनी आवाज उठयलेलो आसा. आनी आयज काळाची गरज आसा ह्या नॉयज पोल्युशनाचेर एक्शन घेवपाची. कोर्टान सुद्दां ऑर्डर दिल्लेली आसा. आनी आयज हे नॉयज पोल्युशनाचेर आमचे सरकार कित्याक एक्शन घेवंक सोदिना तें आमकां कांय कळना. लोक जाणटे आसा जेंकां हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स आहा आनी ह्या नॉयज पोल्युशनान तांकां कितेंय तेंचें बरें वायटूय जावंक शकता. भुरगीं ल्हान शिकता कितें तांकां शिकपाक मेळना. दॅट मिन्स हे सरकार जे आहा न्हू हे फक्त हे भायले लोक येवन जे बीच सायडीक धंदो करतात न्हू हेंकाच प्रमोट करतात. आनी आमचे गोंयचे पुलीस कितें करता? अरे जेन्ना आमचो इतलो लोक पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर वचून कंप्लेंट करता त्या टायमार पुलिसांची ड्युटी की तेंच्यांनी वचून ते थंयसर त्या टायमाचेर सोमतें बंद करपाक जाय. अरे कोणाच्या लग्नाक जर म्युजीक लायलें जाल्यार ते रातचे तुमी बंद करपाक येता. कोणाच्या काजाराचे म्युजीक मातशें 11च्या भायर गेलें ते तुमी बंद करपाक येता. कोणी फोक लायलो जाल्यार तुमकां प्रॉब्लम जाता. अरे इतले जर सपोज आमच्या गोंयकारांचे जर तुमकां प्रॉब्लम जाता जाल्यार आयज हे भायले लोक येवन थंयसर जे डिस्कोज चलयता आनी तेंच्यांनी सारके थैमान घालून सोडला त्या टायमाचेर कोण कित्याक उलयना रे? लोकांनी गांवांतल्या लोकांनी हे तुमकां सांगपाचें आनी लोकांनी निशेध करूंक भायर सरपाचें. मागीर गव्हर्मेंट ऑथॉरिटीज आहा जेंकां हे मॉनिटर करपाक लायला कितें रे ते कितें करतात रे? तर तशें जालें. आयज काळाची गरज आसा. सीएमान आमकां जाप दिवपाक जाय. तुज्या होम डिपार्टमेंटाक लागता तें एक हे चल्लां कितें काय म्हणून. आयज ईच एंड एवरी मुद्द्याचेर आयज गोंयकार भायर सरपाक लागला आपल्या हक्का खातीर झगडपाक. म्हटल्यार आमकां तुमी बेकार समजता काम धंदो ना. ज्या कामाक तुमकां बसयला आनी तुमी जो पगार खातात न्हू तुमची ड्युटी ते म्युजीक बंद करपाची. 10 उपरांत म्युजीक बंद जावपाक जाय म्हणून तुमी वचून गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर जाता तेंच्यांनी वचून सांगपाक जाय मरे. आमी तुमकां सांगपाचें मागीर तशें जाल्यार तुमी खुर्चेर बसले कित्याक तर गरम करपाक देवा थंयसरले रिजायन जाय त्या पोस्टा वयले सगळ्या गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसरांक सांगता तुमचे कडेन जर जायना एक्शन घेवपाक रिजायन जाय. आमचो पयसो घामा कश्टाचो पयसो बेश्टो खाव नाका.
साऊंड मॉनिटरींग डिवायस घातले म्हणून बरी गजाल पुणून हेचेर ते मॉनिटरींग डिवायस घातले म्हणून जे कोण पार्टी हाऊस करूंक जाय वो म्युजीक घालूंक जाय म्हणून ते बंद करतले तूं. ही जस्ट म्हाका दिसता वयली आय वॉश. मध्य प्रदेशाच्या साऊंड एक्टा प्रमाणे आमी हिंगा चलता. कोर्टाचो वर्डीट आहा. गव्हर्मेंट एक्शन घेता. केन्नाय तर आमकां सोशल इव्हेंटां करूंक जाय काजरां करूंक जाय धाकटी पार्टी करूंक जाय थिंगा साऊंड आसता वो मिटींग करूंक जाय. आमी साऊंड पोल्युशनाचो आमी फॉर्मेलिटी करचें पडटा, परमिशन घेवचें पडटा आनी आफ्टर 10 PM कोणें कंप्लेन केल्यार रोखडेच कंप्लेन करूं पूण वी हॅव टू कंप्लाय बाय दॅट ना तर येवन आमी बंद करचें पडटा आनी आमी एक सुसेगाद गोंयकार आमी आमचें बंद करता हें करून आनी आमकां पुणून एट द सेम टायम हे कोस्टल एरियेचे लोकांक एजिटेशन करचें पडटा बंद करपाक तरी पडून तें बंद जायना हिंगा बंद केल्यार दुसरें उक्तो जाता पुलीस वचपाक भितात दाखयता तें पळय तर फूंय पावलां आमचें आनी हे मॉनिटरींग डिवायस घालून हितून बंद जातलें दिसता ना हितून फुड्यांतलें बरें एक्शन घेवंक जाय एक्शन म्हळ्यार लावड म्युजीक जालें 10 o'clock व्हरपाचें सोमतें तेंचें इक्विपमेंट वयपाचें एक टास्क फोर्स करपाचो सोमतें इक्विपमेंट घेवपाचें रेड मारपाचें आनी तो फूंय पळय म्युजीक आहा एक स्टॅब्लीश आहा तो तें लायसन ऑन द स्पॉट तेंचें कॅन्सल करपाचें सस्पेंड न्हू कॅन्सल करपाचें तेन्नाच हे लावड म्युजीक घालपाक बंद जातलें हे डिवायस आनी हें घालून कांय फायदो ना थोडो टायम तुमी मेंटेन करतलेत इतलो डावन हें जाला म्हणून पुणून मेन म्हणटा पळय तें एक्शन कितें लायसन कॅन्सल कर
Relief material that was arranged and sent to Wayanad by the NGO Street Providence reached the relief camps and was distributed among the victims of the landslide catastrophe. The parish priest and the survivors have thanked the NGO for the yeoman task of helping the needy.
काल आमी आमचो रिलीफ जे मटेरियल आहा ते वायनाडाक भायर काडपाचें थारलां आमचो गोंयचो गव्हर्नर सिदाराम पिल्लाय आनी फ्लॅग ऑफ केलो आनी फेड्रिक रॉड्रिगीस फादर फेड्रिक रॉड्रिगीस is a principal of Pilar College. He has blessed, and today we reached here. Now it's 1:15. It was a safe journey for us, and we reached here, and we're going to hand over all the relief material to concerned authority over here. So. Thank you for God bringing us all the way from Goa to here this place. We reached here yesterday and we were it is a very grief-stricken place, and to see the people in distress. We've also seen that the people are trying to get back to normalcy, but it's very difficult for them as they have lost their homes. Everything has been lost for at least 3 villages. And the people of these 3 villages are trying to get back to their lives. We have come with their essential requirements, and unloading was done yesterday. The essential requirements that we have brought, including bed sheets, toiletries, as well as groceries, have been delivered to them. We visited some of their campsites. What is important to be noted here is that while we spoke to the people, since they've lost their houses, they've lost their homes, they've lost their livelihood, they've lost their source of income, now it becomes important that the people, whoever are contributing towards this very good cause, will need to think on the lines of how they get back to their homes, which would be utensils, beds and bedding, cooking equipment, and such things, crockery, cutlery, and such things, which all has been lost. These people have to get back to their lives. And I would also take this opportunity to thank the donors who gave us this relief material that we have brought here, and request all of them and others to chip in and donate generously so that the people here can get back to their normal lives.
Dalgado Konkani Academy has refuted the statement that Romi script and Devanagari script were given equal status. The academy says that the statement is false and misleading. Former Dalgado Konkani Academy President Tomazino Cardozo said it was claimed that Konkani in the Roman script was given official status since long in Goa. And in another statement was made that there was no injustice done to Konkani in Roman script when Konkani in Devanagari script was given official status in the Language Act.
Romi Konkani विशीं जायती चर्चा जाता आनी DKAचें जें पोजिशन आसा DKAन जो ह्या विशीं वावर केला ताचे विशीं उजवाड घालपाक दालगाद कोंकणी अकादेमी तुमकां सगळ्या म्हायस्तांक आमी आपयल्या. फाटल्या दिसांनी जी चर्चा जाल्या तातूंत एक स्टेटमेंट जो आमकां आडकोळ्ळो आनी तो म्हटल्यार in one of the press conferences it was claimed that Konkani Roman script was given official status since long. आणि अनेक एका चॅनलाचेर एक इंटरव्यू जाल्लो. In that interview a statement was made that there was no injustice done to Konkani Roman script when Konkani Devanagari script was given official status in the Official Language Act. हे दोन स्टेटमेंट आहा ते सारखे ना. They are false, they are misleading, they are deceitful. आणि हाचे विशीं उजवाड घालचे खातीर आमी आयज प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स हांगा दवरलो. पयले सुवातेर पयलो स्टेटमेंट Konkani Roman script was given official status in the Goa Official Language Act of 1987 since long in Goa. वो स्टेटमेंट कोंकणी भाशा मंडळान एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलेली आनी त्या तांच्या एका फुडें ऑफिस बेरारान हो स्टेटमेंट केलो. जशें पयलीं सांगलां हो स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स आनी मिसलिडिंग आसा.
Mohit Kharangte for Herald TV.
Goan Seamen Association of India has felicitated their president Frank Villegas on being elected as Sarpanch of Chichni Deusa Panchayat. Villegas has been a long-serving president of the GSAI and has been elected after all the 11-member Panchayat voted for him.
हेच्या फुडें तो एज अ सरपंच आपले सदांच मनान आनी काळजान आसलोलें तें सपन पुरें करून लोकांक दाखयतलो म्हूण आपण कितें ह्या गांवांत आनी आमच्या गोंया पासत करूंक सोदता तें.
हांव मागोता की गांवांत तुवें तुगेले जें तुवें आमगेले हिंगा हे एसोसिएशनाक तुवें काम केलां सुदारप हाडलां तेच भाशेन तुवें तुगेले गांवांत म्हणजे नॉन करप्ट जायनासतना कित्याक आज देर इज अ लॅक ऑफ हॉनस्ट पीपल इन द पॉलिटिकल सर्कल. सो हांव मागोता फ्रँकाक की तुवें एक बरो म्हणजे एक हॉनस्ट मनीस जावन तुवें तुगेले कामाची डिलिव्हरी दिवची म्हूण.
जेन्ना हांव म्हणजे हांवें वचपाचें बंद केल्लें तेन्ना म्हाका मुखार काडलो आमच्या लोकांनी आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांनी फ्रँक तूं जाय तें करता आनी तुका जाय तें तुज्यान करूंक जाता आमच्या गांवा पासत तूं इलेक्शनाक बस म्हणून. जेन्ना हांवें तांकां सांगलें तुमचो आदार आसा जाल्यार हांव सदांच मुखार वयतलो आनी म्हाका एक मोग आनी एक लाभ हो पॅशन आसा जें काम करपाक लोकां पासत आनी तेंच घेवन हांव बसून म्हाका बऱ्या मतांनी लोकांनी निवडून हाडलो आनी आयज हांव ह्या सरपंच पोजिशनाचेर पावला चिंचणी विलेज पंचायत देवसवान. थंयसर 11-0 म्हाका स्वता फर्स्ट टायम आमच्या सगळ्या 5 मेंबरान एकठांय जावन म्हाका अनओपोज कसो 11-0 करून हाडला. So, he a good sign for the development of the village.
Karanzalam fishermen net a bumper catch of varieties of fishes amidst the ongoing cleaning of the beach. On Saturday, fishermen expressed joy and happiness by stating that this year they got a golden harvest and the garbage has decreased comparatively due to the constant efforts of the Ramponkars in cleaning the beach clean. Finally, their hard work paid off.
आम्ही कारांजाले बीचार इनॉग्रेशन केला. सगळे मेंबर आहा ते सगळे आमची कांटा एकठांय करता आनी आमी जॉइन करता आनी एवरी इयर आमी हे इनॉग्रेशन करता. फातरी काडटा बेंजार करता सगळे करता आनी ऑल टुगेदर एवरी इयर आमी टुगेदर वचून पयली रांपोड मारता. थोड्याच कारणाक लागून पण आमकां सिजन लेट जाले पूण एनी हाव गॉड इज ग्रेट. आमकां देवान आमच्या ह्या रांपोडकारांक जायते नुस्तें दिलां वेरायटी ऑफ नुस्तें. कितें नुस्तें ना म्हणून ना बंपर नुस्तें आमकडे पळय कंट्रोल करूंक जायना आतां सद्याक.
कितले जाणांची रांपोड आसता ही
पयली आमची सगळी टोटल जॉईन करता आमी. टोटल जॉईन करून ही रांपोड करता एवरी इयर.
कितले मेंबर्स
आमी टोटल 19 मेंबर्स आहा.
व्हडलें चड नुस्तें पडलां ते कितें पडलां?
चड नुस्तें म्हणल्यार सगळें मिक्स नुस्तें पडलां. थोडे वेरायटी नुस्तें आहा व्हायट पॉम्फ्रेट ब्लॅक आहा मागीर टायगर आहा व्हायट आहा सोलार आहा मिडियम आहा सगळे तरेतरेचे नुस्तें.
गार्बेजो इश्यू आसा गार्बेजी काम कितें त्रास
गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम कितें आहा एक्चुअली सीजन आमी बेग एन्फॉर्मेस करताले पूण गार्बेजीक लागून आमकां लेट करचे पडले तरी आसतना पळय आमी स्ट्रगल करता गार्बेजीक लागून आमी रिस्क घेवन आयज आमी पयलेच इनॉग्रेशन केलां आमी रिस्क घेयल्या तरी आसतना आमकां खूब कास्तीक जालें पळय आतां हे टोटल सिस्टम करता म्हणल्यार आमकां आतां 6-7 वरां लागतली टोटल व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट
पडला पळय आमकां कचरो चड जावन पयलो येयलो सायडीच्यान येयलो आतां मदें कांय ना कचरो ना तो कचरो काडय पण उदक काळ्याच आसा हय अजून काय बारीक उरला न्हू तो बारीक उरता तो कुसको उरता थिंगा बारीक सो तो निवळ जा बारीक आनी कितें आनी 3-4 दीस वयतले सारको मात क्लीन जातलो आतां सद्या तितलो ना हेका आतां पयलीं सायडीन येयलो आमकां उरता आसतना
ते गार्बेजीक लागून कोयराक लागून तुमकां कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाता पडपाक
ना ते कितें जाता जाणा तूं हय उडपाक प्रॉब्लेम गाडी भक्कान ती मात पत्ता पळोवना घेतो पत्ता तूं मालो फुड्यान ताका लागून त्रास जाता उडपाक
आयज आमी 10 जाणांनी एकठांय जावन आमची दवरल्या आपूण आनी आमकां देवान भरपूर दिलें आनी हे मुखार आमकां भरपूर दिवचें आनी आमी जायते लॉसान आले आमी इतल्या दिसांक भरपूर घेवचो जाले पूण आमकां आमचे बाय चान्स आमकां मेळना जालें देवान आमची काकूट केली आनी ह्या फुडें आमकां सगल्यांक हेजे परस डबल दिवचें आनी आमकां सगल्यांक धाडूशी करचें आनी कोणाकूय हिंगा डिस्टेंस घेवपाक जाल्यार कोणें येवचें
डेली स्टार्ट
आयल्यान आमच्या आयची 10 जाणांची आपूण आमी उरल्या आनी फाल्यांच्यान आमचे रावंड कॉमेर्स 1 by 1
कसो टायम आसतलो फाल्यांचो टायम कसो
फाल्यांचो टायम एका वरा फाटीं
आयज सोंग गेले जाल्यार फाल्यां 7
फाल्यां सोंग गेले आयज आमी 7 गेलेले आनी फाल्यां आमी 8 म्हणजे जोड 12 पळयतली वयर
आतां पणजेकारांक फ्रेश नुस्तें मेळपाक
आतां पणजेकारांक कोणाक जाय ताका फ्रेश हिंगा रिजनेबल रेटीन आमी नुस्तें हेंकले आनी आमकां हांव देवा कडेन मागता सगल्यांक हें आमकां दिलां तें 10 जाणांक सगल्यांक मेळचें
कितें म्हणटा रापण बरी
पडल्या ध्यान दिलें आमकां आनी आमचे हे काडला तेजो फोड मेवलो आमकां हे सगळो कचरो काडून आमच्या रापणकार भावांनी काडून आनी ध्यान जायते दिलें आमकां हें पळय आनी बरें फोटो बरें सुरगुट्यो कुल्ल्यो तोहल्या पडला आमकां.
Story by Sagun Gaude for Herald TV.
Kumbhora Sports Club blanked Palde Sports Club 2-0 to enter into the quarterfinals of Batora United 9A-side football tournament organised by Batora United at St. Alex Church Ground, Kurturi on Friday.
In the Batora United 9A-side football tournament, the match started on fast pace and Paldem SC had the first opportunity to take the lead, but Sebi Carvalho's powerful shoot from the box was punched away by Kumborda SC goalkeeper Johnson Biegot in the 5th minute of play. Later, Maxon of Kumborda SC penetrated the defence and goalkeeper placed the ball in the open net in the 28th minute. Kumborda SC were leading 1-0 at half-time. Changing ends, Paldem SC tried to find the equaliser and they kept pressure on Kumborda SC defence through Ansley Dikunha and Peter Dikunha but couldn't broke the defence. Kumborda SC scored another goal through Verin in the 40th minute with a neat placement. Paldem SC had the ample of opportunities but their forwards failed to capitalise on their chances they got. Kumborda SC kept the lead till the final whistle. Ansley Dikunha of Paldem Sports Club was declared the Man of the Match award by Zefri Kolako, Batora United Club member. Inacio for Herald TV.
Sporting Club of Daoli made it to the second round, defeating Bedalbati Sporting Club 2-0 in the 49 Chandor Cement football tournament. The exciting match was played at Chandor ground on Friday.
In the 49th Chandor Cement football tournament, Egnelo Kolako opened the account for SC Dawolim in the 26th minute after the ball bounced back into the field of play from the hands of Betal Batim custodian. The Betal Batim SC boys fought hard to bring parity, but Lady Luck did not smile on them. SC Dawolim led 1-0 at lemon break. Betal Batim SC lads came back with renewed vigour, but their efforts did not bear fruit. The second half became very exciting with both teams dishing out good brand of soccer. The SC Dawolim lads increased their tally through Ajay Raj in the 45th minute, whose power-packed shot swiftly landed the ball into the rival net, giving them their victory score.
That's all we have in this newscast. For more news and update, catch us on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.